Jamb Economics Past Question, question number 49. It says the choice of the method of production in an economy is determined by A. Level of income, B. Rate of population growth, C. Level of technical know-how, D. Availability of natural resources. If you look at the factors which determine how to produce, they are as follows. They are technology, of production, technique of production, technological advancements. They are relative costs, factors of production, factors of production. Of course, the factor of production has to do with land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Production functions. So based on this, option C, level of technical know-how, is the correct answer. Thank you. Please subscribe for more questions.